Literally the only thing that you need to build your very own high-ticket digital course is to follow these simple. Hey, what's up you guys? We are launching new beta test group for those of you who want to learn how to create your very own high-ticket digital course. And if you want to learn more about this, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can help you build your online business to the moon. And now let's jump into my computer so I can show you how you can get free training on this. Welcome in my computer. So in this free training, I'd love to show you how I get 5, 10 or even 20 high-ticket clients for my digital course every month using the 3Ps method, even without a huge list or following. And in this training, I'd love to share with you 3 secrets. All right, so the first secret is going to be what is 3Ps method and how it determines whether your digital course is a huge success or an absolute failure. And then in secret number 2, I will show you how to pick a winning niche and how to create irresistible offer that people will go crazy for, okay? And in secret number 3, I'll show you how to sell your digital course even before creating it, so you don't waste months and years like most people do. And then I also have bonus secret for you because I love you, and that's going to be how to price your course and how to launch it like a professional. Okay, so to access this free training, all you have to do is click the link below in description below this video. That will bring you to this page, and here all you have to do is just click get free training, and then you will put your email so I can send you the instructions, and then you can watch this free training. And I put my heart and soul into this, so I hope that you guys love it. And if you have any questions about the training, just leave them below this video and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Okay, so click that link and I will see you on the training. Let's go.